Welcome to the Swedish April, where we have hailing in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, and then raining and snowing in the evening, like everything in a day. This week has been brutal, so I thought I would need some comforting, warming dish, but I was also very lazy to make some food. So I made this tomato kimchi stew. So since we are making tomato kimchi stew, obviously we would need some tomato kimchi. The best tomato kimchi is Jenna's kimchi. So basically what we're gonna do here is to boil this as long as possible. The cherry tomatoes and onion will give great taste as it boils for a long time. So a great thing about cooking with kimchi is that you don't really need to season or put any other thing because kimchi has already all the spices and paste. But if you want, you can add some more salt and garlic, but honestly I didn't add anything. Serve with rice and enjoy!